Hey guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at this Poetic Spartan MagSafe case for the Motorola Razr Ultra 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So definitely want to give Poetic a shout out for sending me this case for the Motorola Razr 2026 Ultra. Again guys, shout out again to Motorola also for sending this phone out to me. I've had it for about a couple weeks already and more videos to come, but they did send me a case out. So first of all, shout out to Snapdragon Insiders again for the device, right? And again, shout out to Poetic for sending this out. Hashtag gifted by Snapdragon over here. So again, let's go ahead and get this open here, guys. I actually had another case on this device since obviously I didn't want to mess the device up because this is a $1,500 phone over here, but I want to give shout out to Poetic for sending this case out to me. Definitely want to showcase this case. Again, this one's called the Poetic Spartan MagSafe case for the Motorola Razr. Again, hoping this fits. I believe they said that this is for the 2025 version, but they said it should fit, so I'm going to take their word for it. I told them I would let them know if it didn't fit, but I believe it's the same design and everything as far as like the size of the phone, etc., like that. So again, it comes in a couple pieces, obviously for solid reasons here. So it does give you a little bit of instruction manual over here. So it says replacement of adhesive strips. So again, I guess it comes with some extras here. So again, it looks like it does come with stuff here. Again, I want to say this is for the front side of the screen here. It says 9H tempered glass screen protector. Again, HD clarity, fingerprint resistant, scratch resistant. Okay, so that's good because the last case that I did get, which was kind of just like a generic case, was a fingerprint magnet, and you could really tell, like, you know, how bad it was, basically. So let's go ahead and see if I can get the screen turned off really quick because I'm most likely going to have to clean this and then throw it on. So screen protector accessory. So let's go ahead and get this open really quick. Again, I probably do have to clean the screen here. I mean, most likely what I was going to do is I was going to just, you know, throw this off and, you know, take it off like that, whatever. But, you know, again, I want to, I guess, showcase what they send you as far as this goes. So they do send you like an alcohol pad and a cleaning, a little cloth for it, and again, dust absorber, right? You know, if you need to, you know, get the little pieces of dust off, which unfortunately in my room, you know, I have dogs. I have a lot of dust that I have to take care of as far as, you know, in my room, dog hairs, just things flying around in the air. But we'll just use this simple alcohol pad. Hopefully that's enough, you know, for that. Let's go ahead and pull this out real quick. Again, I'm hoping, and we'll get the top portion installed first. Again, it's got two sides here, so I definitely want to make sure that, you know, I'm pulling out both sides correctly here before I slide the top on. We got to remove everything here for you guys. Again, okay, it says peel here. So again, you just gotta be careful. Again, so hold on, I'm gonna kind of lay that there. I'm gonna open the screen up so we can get that going, and I could already see like little hairs and stuff. That's one thing that like I hate about putting screen protectors on. But again, you just kind of have to go with it and hoping that it just slides in or snaps in. Let's see how this goes. Hold on. Sorry. My last case just slid in, but this one it looks like we're gonna have to kind of attempt to pop it in. Okay, looks pretty okay here. And again, I'm not trying to do anything there. Okay, looks okay for the most part. As you can see here, the case is a very decently rugged case, so definitely want to make sure that we're not, you know, hurting the phone here. This is the bottom portion of the case. Let me just see if I have to remove anything. I don't believe so. It is MagSafe compatible, luckily, so I definitely don't have to worry about that. And hold on, just to kind of show you guys, this little area also, you know, could be used as a kickstand. So okay, let's go ahead and try to throw this on really quick. Again, shouldn't be too hard, guys. If you guys have never seen a case tutorial on how to put these specific phones in a case, right? So since it is a flip phone, you will see that it does have like this little bump in the back, right? Again, that's just for when you close it, right? Again, you can see here, and it looks good in my opinion. Like, you know, you can see the notifications just fine. Honestly, I really like this case. Let me just make sure I put the case on correctly, right? So again, here obviously you see dust on the front end, but you can see here that the case, let's make sure it's snapped in all the way, right? Is a rugged case, right? And I like it because it's kind of like a little see-through on the borders here, so it doesn't look super just like plain Jane. Again, the bumpers are pretty heavy, so it is comparatively a rugged case. Poetic obviously has its logo here on the outside, right? And again, like I said, it does have, you know, this, you know, that way, you know, if you're holding the phone, you can actually, you know, put your finger in it. That way you have more you know, you have more safety when it comes to not dropping the device. So I do like that, right? I do like that you have that option in case you're just one hand using it. And again, if you're in camcorder mode, right, with the device, right, you can also use it like this as well. So a lot of varieties of way. Obviously, you can just hold the phone up like that, but I do like that. I really do like the fact that they do give that to you. And the bottom portion is clear, right, so you can see the wooden variation of this specific version of the phone, right? Again, looking at the bottom here for you guys, you can see that, you know, it does have the cutout for your USB C, and of course your SIM card tray, and obviously your microphone holes that are there on top, right? But pretty cool, guys. You know, again, you know, obviously this phone does have a screen on the back here, so let's look at the sensitivity here. Let's go ahead and click this, right? You can see here that just so we can gauge the sensitivity, right? I have a lot of photos and stuff that I've filmed in the past, right? You guys, most of my older videos, if you guys follow my Pokemon content, you can see there. So let me see. Okay, let's see if we can go back here. So not horrible, I would say, right? You know, I love the lock screen here. So one thing that I can say is, okay, you see how there is an X up here, you know what I mean, if I want to like exit out on something. Really, you know, again, Poetic, I want to give you a shout out for sending me the case, but that is a little bit of a flaw there if you're not utilizing the entire back screen there. Again, at least it wasn't letting me press the X button because of that. So let's see again if it just lets me do anything here. Again, camera mode, right? You guys can see here. Shout out to, again, Poetic here for sending this out. And again, I will link you guys in the description here. Let's see if it takes the picture here. Hold on, let's see. It might not let me, but for the most part, you know, as long as I'm pressing my camera buttons here on the side, there you go. It should have taken a snapshot of me. There you go. Okay, so it does have that little cutout there on the top, so you can see, but again, like, I don't know if those buttons are touchable or not, you know what I mean? So that's really my only main concern with this case, not being able to utilize the whole screen. But again, guys, you have to realize that this probably most likely is the 2025 version of the case, right? Which is what they told me, so I want to give you guys a disclaimer, right? This is the 2026 version of the phone, so the 2026 version of the phone might have this much more screen real estate on the actual front screen. So I just want to give you guys a disclaimer there. I don't want you guys to think, oh, you know, they sent me the wrong case, etc., blah, 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 haha, right? But no, for the most part, again, most likely the 2025 version front screen probably was not all the way here. Either way, again, for people that are using this, you know, for the front screen, you might have a little bit of issues, but other than that, you know, it's still a very solid case all the way around, right? You know, I'm definitely not going to complain. You know, your phone is being protected for the most part, and I want to give Poetic, again, a shout out for sending me this case, again, because, you know, they are a long-time working cooperator with my channel. So again, shout out to Poetic again. I will drop links in the description for you guys below so you guys can check out the case. And again, it's a pretty cool looking case, so again, can't complain. But again, guys, Mike from BTech Review signing off. Thanks again for watching. Smash the like button, and we'll see you guys next time, okay?